What's up, you guys? So I've been waiting on a decrease for Kaspa. I always feel like whenever we see a larger increase over a shorter period of time, that we will see a decrease. We will see, a comeback of, to normal. It doesn't have to be absolutely to the lowest point that it can be, but it definitely has to be a little bit of a retracement. I never want to invest in a position that has increased a lot. So when I look at the Kaspa position today, we can see that it has come back from the level of 5 cents. And I wanted to make a video yesterday on it, but I didn't actually make that video. I didn't actually launch that video. But I wanted to talk about it yesterday and talk about where my head is currently on Kaspa. Because if I can get some opportunities, if I can find the best opportunity, yes, I will invest as long as it is lower than where we were at that higher price level, right? If we see a $1 billion market cap and I can now buy it at a $900 million market cap, that's a steal, right? While a lot of other people were like, hey, you're missing out on this opportunity, it's going to absolutely explode. I'm sure you believe that it will. I'm 100% certain that we will see a price increase of the overall position. However, the only way that I will get into it is if I find the right time to get into it. It doesn't have to be the absolute best time possible, but it definitely has to be a better time than where it is. I'm not going to invest at a time where it's going up. Just because green means go and red means stop doesn't mean that you invest into it when it's green and that you don't invest into it when it's red. That makes no sense. You invest into things when they're at their lows so that you can see them grow to their high point. Now, let's go through Kaspa in this video, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I appreciate anybody that is subscribed to this channel. This is the Matthew Perry 2 channel. So I appreciate you guys a lot. Also, if you want to check out my new credit card YouTube channel, we're trying to do everything on YouTube, everything that we used to do, and kind of split it up so that people get what they've come here for and what they really like. So definitely check out my credit card YouTube channel. Link will be up in the cards. I appreciate you guys for just being here and liking and doing everything that you can in order to be engaged. But let's go into Kaspa really quick. If we look at where Kaspa is currently, it's at 4.2 cents, almost 4.3 cents. As you can see here, it just rose a little bit. It's going back and forth. You're seeing some small peaks and valleys here, but it is down about 0.7%. You're seeing the volume that's down 22%. It's at $10 million worth of volume. It is at a $906 million market cap, which is really, it's not really low, but it's still on the higher side. If you look at it in the last day, yeah, you'll be like, oh, it has come back. We'll wait for this to move and all this stuff. You see the negativity and you're going to be kind of skeptical to get into this position. However, if you look at the last 7 days, it's even more, down 13%, right? From a level of about 5 cents, 5.1 cent, all the way down to this low level of looking like it's going to break that, 4 cent barrier, but it didn't. It bounced off of it, got back up to 4.5, and now is back down to 4.3, again, down 13%. We look at the last month and it's kind of been flat, seeing it, let's say it's hovering around that, 4.5 cents level for this position, but currently sitting a little bit lower than that point. And you could see that it has potential to rise a little bit. If we look at the last year, that's where we're starting to see the bigger picture of it. And that's where I look at it. And maybe it's a long-term play. Maybe it's something that I might not see this lower level. Maybe we do see this lower level where it gets to, use this level as a support. But most likely it'll maybe create a W formation unless we see the market go insanely negative. Then we see Kaspa kind of play catch up to the market. So you could see the bigger picture where it's creating this stair step effect, and it has had a 1,899% growth over the last year. So if I'm seeing 1,800 or 1,900% over the last year, I know that I'm looking for the best opportunity to get into it. I'm not trying to buy at these high levels. Green doesn't mean go and investing. Green means stop. Green means step back and wait for it to create some red. And if you don't see that, then you just don't have an investment. There's a lot of other investments that are out there. I want to be a part of it because all of the positive things that I hear with this position, I want to be a part of it. However, right now I cannot be a part of it because it's not providing me the same opportunity that fits my strategy. While it may have the ability to grow a lot more, I just want to take that risk completely out and find the right opportunity to invest. So what I see is going to happen is most likely a pullback to here where I will create my first entry point. So about 3.5 cents. I will create my first entry point. Does that mean that I will invest everything? No, I will not invest everything. But if we have a level to where it does find a way to, create, let's say this is a level of support. So right here where it's about just below 3 cents, that's where I probably will make a more aggressive move into it. As long as we still see that potential going forward and we don't see anything change within the project. If the change happens, it has to be change for the better. Then if it's change for the better, then I will make that investment. If it's change for the bad, right, the worst, then I feel like we're going to have to, step back. And not saying that we'll, take out our investment. We'll just step back from investing all of our money in there. We'll probably put another, because we'll probably put like 25% in right here, maybe 50%. And then we'll put maybe 25% in here to put the last 25% somewhere down here. That's only if it finds a way to come down to that point. That's not 100% certain that we'll even do that to come down to 1 cent, but it has had some pretty significant gains. I would have loved to have made this investment here, but I didn't have that opportunity to do so. However, I'm going to try and pick my spot the best way that I can. Now, if we go through a little bit of a prediction that's out there on the internet, we see that we have 2024, 2025, 2026, and where the prices are for these years. 2024, we have about 5 cents, 6 cents. 2025, we have about 10 cents. 2026, we have a yearly high here of about 6 cents. So saying it's going to come back down after 2025. And then we have another yearly high of 8 cents. 8 cents here, 16, 11 cents. So by 2030, they're saying it's going to get to 11 cents. 5 cents right now is a $1 billion market cap. So seeing this at 10 cents would be a $2 billion market cap. I don't see it taking that many years for it to get to these points. These predictions are always so conservative. I swear. I see the crypto market exploding and, Kaspa and a lot of other things being worth a hell of a lot more. So do I agree with these predictions? No, I don't really agree with these predictions. Do I see it going a lot further? Yes, I do see it going a lot further because it does have, a 20 to 30, $1 billion market cap kind of written all over it, in my opinion, with the amount of, popularity that I have seen from the position. It looks like that. Now you do have a circulating supply that's not fully diluted, but still it's damn near up there, right? It's 73% that is up there. So yeah. Anyways, guys, let me know what you're thinking about Kaspa and my overall decision and what I plan to do. It's currently, like I said, approaching low points. So could this be a buying opportunity? It could be. Do you need price predictions? I mean, we have that, but let me know what your price predictions for Kaspa are. Realistic price predictions. Don't just throw out saying Kaspa is going to get to, $1 right now. I mean, if you see it at those levels, you would be seeing billions, multiple billions of dollars worth of a market cap. Currently at a level of 5 cents, you're seeing it at $1 billion market cap. So in order for it to get to $1, it would need to see, that $20 billion market cap, which I believe it could get to, but it just all depends, right? I'm not going to say, hey, just throw out that it's going to be at $1 tomorrow. Like, I don't want to hear that. I want to hear what your realistic expectations are for the next year, for the next 2 years, all of that. And if it is at a level of $1, then that could be in the next year. But in the next, let's say, 2 years, what's your expectation over that? What's your expectation over the next couple of months? Do you expect it to blow up in 2024 with the rest of the crypto market? Let me know. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my credit card YouTube channel, link up in the cards. I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.